What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. I think it's time in this mental health and wellness website. It's time to possibly add some CSS. I need to check out what it looks like first. While that loads, I'll just go ahead and open up the CSS. I will delete all the tabs that I don't need. Like I don't know, do I need, let's do a quick test right here. Let's say body, say background color of red. I don't know if cause there's two ways of doing it, right? There's, inside of the index, you add your style, reset. And then inside of index HTML, you can also add, but I think it automatically does it, because if you see here within head, you see the style. This is the one for reset. Now style is empty. There's obviously right now there's the background red, but let's go ahead and try it out. Right now it's without a link. It just compiles it together. It just compiles it together. Also, if I did add a link, the way it's set up here, it's set up in folders, so I'd have to like somehow go back a folder. I think it should work though. It should work. So let's go ahead and just build it and see what happens. Okay, it's built now. If I reload it, it should be red. There it is. So it works without it being linked, just as normal. Okay, now let's look at Figma. Let's see, how is it gonna go? Where should I start? You know what I'm gonna do first? Let's go back. Let's color up these areas here. There's four areas, right? There's two sections. There's a knob and then there's a footer. Let's go ahead and color those up so that we can kind of place them, see where they're at. And that shouldn't be too difficult. It's just a quick. So we're just looking for, obviously, the body's just gonna stay like that for now. Let's go to knob. Let's do background color red. Let's do section, middle section. Let's say background color blue. Section, bottom section. The color could be green. It's whatever, it doesn't matter for now. And lastly, we have a footer, which can be background color purple. And we gotta build it. Should I do let's try MPX Webpack watch, just so I don't have to build it all the time. Okay, that wasn't able to run. I need to go back in here and look it up. So right here it should tell you, that's what I did. MPX Webpack -- watch. If you run MPX Webpack, you will not have to rerun. That's what I did. Oh, Webback. Oh, okay. I see what I did. Webpack. Okay. Okay, there it is. Let's go ahead and see. Okay, it's there. Now, the red is fine, right? Because it's edge to edge and it's at the very top. purple should be at the very bottom. So for that, let's do position absolutes. Then let's do bottom 0. So it could be 0 pixels away from the bottom. And then let's add that background text. Let's add it right here, because it's gonna be temporary. Actually, I'm not gonna leave it purple. So, and it is at the bottom. I'm gonna have left. I don't know if this is gonna stretch it out. I'm gonna do left 0, and then I'm gonna do right 0. I don't know if that stretches out the element though. It does. Let me pull it up so you guys can see it. So you can see it just a little bit right here. It's edge to edge. I do need to fix it up a little bit, but you know, it is what it is. You know what I just noticed? I made these a single element, right? These are P's, I believe. But I made these double elements. These could have been single elements. This could have just been a header and then I just stretch it out. But I put a header inside of a knob. And down here, I put was it a P inside of a footer? I just remembered randomly. Okay. Now, the knob, for some reason, it's just like that. It's built different. So it just does it automatically. Now these here, how am I gonna do these? How am I gonna do those? Okay, I know what to do. Okay, so the blue needs to be pretty big. So let's give the blue a height of, let's say, height, I don't know, 40 rem or 50 rem. Let's see how that looks. Looks pretty decent. Yeah, that looks pretty decent. 50 rem. As for we'll line that up later. As for the green, we'll make the bottom section, we'll give that a height of it's really small. It's gonna be the height of these quotes here, I think. 20 rem. 20 rem. We'll give it a width of, do I want it to stretch out? I kind of do. Okay, so let's do 90 of the view width. And then the whole middle section, we'll do 90 of the view width as well. Okay, so they are 90 of the view width. Now the purple, I don't think I need that anymore. I think I just need it to rest at the bottom. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, so it's at the bottom. How it should be. Now, let's go ahead and center. Let's go ahead and center the blue. As for the blue, let's say, what was it? I think it was margin. Margin, top and bottom, 0. Whoa, it might change. So I'm gonna do it separately. 0, and then we'll do auto. And I'm gonna do the same thing for this one down here, for the bottom section. And there it is. Okay, now let's separate them a little bit. So let's say, I'm actually gonna make it a little bit smaller. We'll do 40. Now from the top, I'm gonna do, what is this here? Like it's probably whatever the, let's see, the width of the, or not the width, but the height. And not there, it's gonna be up here. The height of the knob is gonna be something like, let's say, 4 rem. Let's see what that looks like first before doing other settings. That looks pretty decent. Okay. That's actually gonna be the same height as the footer. We'll leave that like that. And that'll be the same width right here. The same margin for rem. It's together. For rem. The bottom, it's gonna be a little bit more. We'll do 0. 0 at the bottom. And then margin, we're just gonna add to the top. So margin top on the footer, it's gonna be, what is that, like double? So we'll do, if that's 4, we'll do 8 rem. We'll do 10. And then we'll do the same thing for the bottom section. We'll do margin top 10 rem. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so as far as the quotes go, we're nice. Now, margin top, the footer for some reason is not margin top. Yeah, the footer for some reason, it just doesn't. Let me reload it again. That's kind of weird. Margin top. Did I spell that correctly? Yeah, so the margin top doesn't work, so we'll just do it. I wanted to do it to the top of all of them, but we'll just give it a margin bottom to the bottom section. And we'll get rid of this one here. It could be a little bit smaller though, but it's only one resource. Let's give it a width of the footer. No, height. Let's give it a width, a height of, I don't know, not 10. Wait, 10 would be right here. 10. We can do like 8 maybe? Not 9, 8. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Alright, and we'll end it right here. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.